children. Good morning. I am Ankita Singh from Mount Brazil School. Welcome again to the online class of Mount Brazil School. So let us start our class. First, all of you take out your EVS book. Okay, student. Now, today I'll again revise chapter 4. Okay. So everyone take out your chapter 4. This one. Okay. Now, start. Last class we had discussed about chapter 4. Okay. That is food for health. What? Food for health. Okay. Today I am revising this chapter what we have discussed in our previous classes. Okay. Now start revising. So everyone open your chapter 4. Now listen. In chapter 4 we had discussed about food. Okay. Means what is food, what is the use of food. Okay. And also about sources of food. See, you can see here about sources of food. Means all the foods that we eat we get from two sources, plant and animals. Okay, you can see here food from plants and food from animals. Okay, now turn your page. And also about three groups of food. You can see here three groups of food, that is energy giving food, okay, body building foods and protective foods. Okay, means okay student, now can you tell me name of any two energy giving foods? Can you tell me? Yes, rice, potatoes, like this. Okay, okay, very good. And also we had discussed about water and fiber rich foods. See here. Okay, water and fiber rich foods means we must drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means plenty means बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. Okay, because water helps to digest the food etc. And about here you can see. And also about need to cook food means why cooking is important for us. Okay, because why? Because cooking kills the germs that present in the food. Okay, and also it's also make the food tasty and easy to digest. Okay, and now coming next page. See this page, this one. And also we had discussed in our last class about vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Okay, means those people who eat plant product and see here plant product and milk product, they are called vegetarians. Okay, and people who eat plant product and milk product and also eat eggs, meat, fish, okay, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay, and also about over vegetarian means those people eat plant product and also eat eggs, fish, but not use dairy products. Okay, but not use dairy products, they are called over vegetarians. Okay, and also about spices. Okay, means why spices are important for us. Okay, important, and what is the use of spices. Okay, means see, first you see here this is your spices. Okay, and what is the use of spices? Spices are added to the food to give it flavor. Okay, and also spices make the food tasty and also color to it. Okay, and next one is, and next about meals eaten in a day. Okay, means at different time we eat three major meals in a day. Okay, you can see here means breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, when we should take our breakfast, when we should take our lunch, when we should take our dinner. Okay, these all things, इन सब के बारे में भी हमने पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा था. ओके, मीन्स अबाउट ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर. ओके, एंड लास्ट वन इज अबाउट गोल्डन ईटिंग हैबिट्स. Okay, means you can see here some golden rules are given here na. So we must follow these rules because these all rules are golden rules. Okay, ये सारे golden rules है, so we should follow, we must follow these rules. Okay, कुछ हम यहाँ पढ़ लेते कुछ golden rules. First, wash hands before and after your meals. Okay, eat fresh food and clean food, means we should always use fresh food and clean food. Okay, and we also eat food at fixed time in a day. chew food properly, means हमें अपने फूड को अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए. and also do not speak while eating. Okay, and we should always wash our fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Okay, I hope that you all have understood this chapter 4 very well. Now listen your homework. Your homework is read chapter 4. Okay, again you read chapter 4. Okay, and also learn question answer of chapter 3. Understood? This is your homework. Understood your homework? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.